Hi, I stumbled upon a video on TikTok and I learned 6 things from it. And today I'll be sharing that with you. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Susan and do well to watch my videos. Check the description box. They're interesting. Thank you. So this lady was talking about how people get so emotional at the beginning of the year and then people extort money from them. Content creators, to be precise, they tell you they sell this course, they sell this course, and then you buy and buy and buy and buy, and they waste all your money on buying products that you will not let anything from. That some will even promise you they'll hold your hands and all that, blah blah blah. And then she was saying that, and then she said, "Why don't you just do proper research? Use your phone, go to Udemy, go to Coursera, and then use YouTube and equip yourself or upskill yourself." And then people were in her comment section dragging themselves. So people were like, "Yes, you said my mind." Others were like, "Leave these content creators alone, they're doing a good job." And the people were now fighting in the comment section and all. And I noticed that this person is not even a popular content creator. But from the video that I saw, I learned these 6 things. And I hope some business owners can apply this to their businesses. I said some because the other set of people might not have the mind. And I think I am in that category. But the way this Nigeria is going right now, I might consider that. So let's jump into it immediately. The first thing I learned from that video is polarizing opinions attracts attention. What does it mean? Now she has picked a particular topic and then she has caused confusion in her comment section. Now she has people coming to either drag her or fight for her. Now that is her content. So she has caused commotion. Heard of 2 years of commotion? Yeah, so she has caused commotion and all, and now that is how she's going to build her empire. So number two will make you understand number one better. So what is number two? Criticism builds trust but provide solution when you are doing that. What does that mean? She's already criticizing other content creators that she feels are extorting money from people and all that, but she also provided a solution. So as a business owner, if you are going to be criticizing other people's businesses or something that you are doing and you think you can do better than another person, make sure you have a catchy thing, that thing that will grab the attention of your audience or your customers, that will keep them to you, that will make them trust you. So provide solutions. She said go to Udemy, go to Coursera, and go to YouTube to equip yourself. Why do I keep saying equip? Go to YouTube and upskill and all that. She said she provided this stuff for you, so makes it very very good. So as you are criticizing, please provide solutions too, don't just criticize. Then go to number three, which is build your army before selling. This lady, we all know what this lady is doing. You and I, she's trying to build an army. Now, I will make reference to somebody that we ladies admire. I don't know if it's every lady, but I admire her, Adeife. If you don't know her, you can check her on TikTok or on YouTube. She's such an amazing person. So, Adeife started on TikTok. I don't know her story like that, but I know that when she opened her YouTube, every of her follower on TikTok wanted to see how she was doing on YouTube. And we all subscribed because we know that she's in for fire. She's going to bring a lot of stuff to the table. So we followed her there. So build an army, and that is what this lady is doing. Don't worry, before you finish mentioning this stuff, you will now know where she's headed. Now, the fourth one is authenticity is the real hook. She has positioned herself as someone that can offer knowledge to people. Do you understand? Like, she's authentic in this particular niche she has picked. She's going to criticize anything that is not good. Now, people that their ideas align with hers are going to believe her that this lady is a very truthful person. She is the only person that says the truth about this particular thing. That is why I am following her. You see that? So you need to be authentic at what you do. Make your mouth full for the thing where you do. Have enough knowledge, enough understanding of what you are doing before you come out to polarize. Oh, Okay, so let's go to the fifth one. Free value opens doors. People don't understand this. You give out free knowledge and all that people will love you for it. Before you catch them, give out free knowledge. Give out free anything that you can give in your own niche, or anything that you can give, anything knowledge, zine, and DIY, anything you can do in your own niche. Do that, people will value you, and it will gather people to you. They will tell their friend to even come that this person is the real person to be with, because she gives her free knowledge. I can make reference to that part where she mentioned go to so place. She's trying to say you don't need to buy those courses. I am here to give you the real thing. Just go to Udemy. Some other time now she might come up with another video. If you want to learn makeup, go to so site and learn the makeup. You don't need to pay for it. You see what she's doing? She is giving her free knowledge. And then here is the last one, which is number 6. And this is where this whole thing is going to. And I believe that that is where it is going to, which is humans forgive and forget. Do you know that tomorrow, if she comes to sell to us, we are going to buy. We'll forgive her. We'll not remember that she also mentioned something about buying from people. Even TikTok live where they will be giving her gifts and all. Nobody will remember that again. No. Humans forgive and forget. Nigerians do it better. So they're going to forgive you and be like, yes, person is an authority in her niche. She's authentic. She says the truth. So because of that, I'm going to buy from her because she's authentic. Are you seeing what is happening here? Was not the same thing she was talking about? But for where we get it all now. So as a business owner, I hope these 6 points I've mentioned can help you. If you are someone who can go into this particular marketing strategy, then you will make it in that niche. Even me, I'm going to cook my heart to see how I go about this. Thank you so much for watching my video this far. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Thank you. And I have other videos you may want to look into about data analytics and virtual assistant. More to come. Thank you for watching. Ciao.